Our mission is to seek out the most talented and motivated students and move them forward. All of our rising seniors do research, and it was not all wanting traditional wet lab type of research. We looked for other partners to provide those opportunities for students.
I get a call from a lady at the governor's school. She showed up with a van full of Govies. 3 hours later, I was so captivated, I was like, okay, we're gonna do this. And so we started giving them almost like a product to produce in this 6-week period, which is a very, very difficult task. But they've built some incredible machines in those 6-week periods.
We give them a very unstructured, uncontrolled place that allows them to grow some skills that they've not had to grow before.
We give them some tools, give them some instruction, and then kind of step back. It's an opportunity to experience the enthusiasm and a fresh perspective.
I thought, oh, we're just building a dock. How could that even be difficult? And then I realized along the way there are 100,000 different things that can go wrong. A lot of these things are things we couldn't do in a classroom.
They got to weld, they got to cut, exercise craftsmanship.
They really get to figure out, do they like research? Do they like development? So they come back knowing themselves so much better.
My set career path is probably something with mechanical engineering. At ISI in particular, I feel like it really helped with the mechanical side, seeing all of the machines work.
A 17-year-old be able to accomplish these projects is just amazing.
It takes a lot of time to help kids do this in 6 weeks, and it's very disruptive. But to see the transformation that takes place over those 6 weeks in those kids is where the culture shift happens.
I would highly suggest that all schools explore partnerships like we have with ISI. It's not the easiest thing to do, but the rewards are amazing.